Okay, now that we're logged in to our Miniarcade account, I'm going to walk you through the basics of creating an arcade. We're going to click the link here that says Create Arcade. In here we're going to set up the arcade settings. This is going to be the title of my arcade. Be something simple. This is the URL that the arcade is going to reside at. So, for example, if my website was screencast.com, it might be screencast.com/arcade. You are able to upload a custom logo. I would say it's for an advanced user. You need to make sure that your logo is 175 by 65 pixels maximum. The skin is also an advanced feature we won't cover right now, as well as the banner. But just know that you could insert your own banner code to make money with this arcade. So required is just the title and the URL. Go ahead and click Submit. We have now created the new arcade that I've titled My Arcade. Let's take a look at the games settings. In this arcade, by default, all of the available games are selected to be in your arcade. If you wanted to, you could deselect all the games you were not interested in. Also, at the top here you'll notice the automatically add new games feature. If this is enabled, as new games are added to the mini arcade, they will automatically be added to your arcade. This is a great feature to keeping your arcade up to date without having to do a lot of interaction on your part. I'm going to leave this just like this. I'm going to click Save and Publish. I've now customized my games. The next thing we can do is an actual bit of customization on the look of the mini arcade itself. Let's go ahead and click on Customization. And in this window that opens up, it shows us a preview. This is what your arcade will look like. What we can do is we can change the colors of the menu, of the background behind, so you can use this to match the color scheme of your site. I'm doing kind of a bad job here, so we'll quit while I'm ahead and go ahead and click Save Changes. Okay, so that's customization. The next button here is Preview. This is kind of neat. This will allow you to see in a pop-up window, this is what my arcade is going to look like currently. These are all the games I've selected. Here's my color scheme that you saw me choose. Just a preview. This is not your actual arcade, because we still need to install that code on your site. So let's click Close Window here. This is where the important stuff happens right here. The code is what you put on your website. I'm going to click the Code button. And in this pop-up, you get this iframe tag, this whole long string of code. What you're going to do is select all this text, hit Control-C on your keyboard if you're on a PC, or Command-C if you're on a Mac, and you are going to paste this code into your website where you'd like the arcade to be. And that code will then pull the arcade onto your site, and that is all you have to worry about. Reporting will allow you, once your arcade's been up, to show you which games are more popular, and there are ways to purchase upgrades to your mini arcade to reduce the amount of advertising or other customizations. So that is the quick overview of how to customize your mini arcade.